What's up? Welcome back to my channel, you guys. Thank you so much for stopping by again. On today's video, it's really special because it's a collaboration with my girl Karina from MGlashes. I freaking love that name, MGlashes. I love that name. So Karina and I go way back, like I don't know how way back. I think before she started making videos. I know she was one of my supporters. She was watching me. I remember that. And then she made her channel, or she made her first video, and bam, that girl and her channel, woo, skyrocket. So freaking crazy, you guys. I know you guys already know who she is, but she is freaking talented, amazing, sweet, down to earth. No matter what, she stays grounded. I love it because she has had so many accomplishments come her way, and the way she is, I mean, she's so freaking cool. And I'm always texting her, even though we don't live in the same place. I'm always texting her, bugging her, like, hey, what do you think of this? Or hey, have you got any, work on YouTube? What do you think of this video? My YouTube is dying. And it's been, always off and on. She's so freaking cool. So we are going to be showing you guys the new palette of Wet n Wild. Now this one is their 40th palette. They also sent me out the metallic palette. The packaging is so beautiful, you guys, on both of them. I will do a video on this if you guys want me to. Oh my god, it's so messy, so embarrassing. But I mean, that's how palettes get. But the palette that I'm going to be talking about to you guys, and she's also going to be giving you guys a review. I can't wait to watch it because I already know what it is, and I'm like so freaking excited. But yes, you guys, isn't it freaking gorgeous? I feel like it reminds me of Ariana Grande. What do you guys think? But I cannot wait to watch her video because what she told me she was going to do, I seriously can't wait to watch it. Her videos are always so freaking helpful. So this one is the 40th palette, you guys. It's a little bit messy right now. Maybe I have a video that doesn't look messy, but this is how it looks right now. It looks like it got beat up and everything, but the colors are freaking gorgeous, you guys. They are pigmented. They do have a lot of fallout. I mean, they do have a lot of fallout. I'm not sure how much this palette is. I believe it's $19.99. When my daughter first seen it, she's 12 years old, she said that it looks like the James Charles palette. I'm not sure. I don't have the James Charles palette, so I cannot compare it. But isn't it freaking beautiful? Especially my favorite color is the one that got ruined. Look at that. The only one that's not swatching really good is this one right here, which I used in the video. Let me swatch another one for you guys. Oh my goodness, this pink, Ariana Grande big time. Look at that, they're freaking beautiful. Now let me swatch a matte one for you guys. Which one's matte? Is that green matte? Let me swatch this one. I feel like it looks like a cake. Oh, Jesus. I feel like it looks like a cake. I think for my next birthday, when I turn 25, I'm gonna have my mom make me a cake like this because it's so freaking cute. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you so much again for stopping by. I will link you guys with everything down below. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys on the next one. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, thumbs up, because that really helps my channel out a lot, you guys. We need to get it out the dirt because I feel like my channel has been just covered under the dirt, and it needs to be brought back to life. So I'm gonna be trying to do that, but you guys gotta help me out with your likes and comments. Share it with anyone. It really helps me out a lot, girls. So thank you guys so much for watching, and hope you guys enjoy this video. So to my luck, the video didn't say, but all I did was apply concealer, girl, set that with the setting powder, and then apply this color right here, which is an orange, as a transition shade. All right, so I'm just gonna clean my little brush right now. This thing is a must, you guys. It's from Color Switch. It's the little color switch wheel, but oh my god, look at that. The color is gone. Okay, so I want to do a purple look. And the first purple that I'm going to use is this purple right here. We're going to apply that on the crease as well. Ooh, girl, it's a lot. So I'm just going to pat it because I feel like when I swipe, it doesn't stay on as much. So this shadow also has a lot of fallout. So make sure you pat and gently blend. And blending that crease. When I was first trying to do this look, you guys, I was just swiping it and I swear the colors were being just patchy. It was not working, but then I tried it again and I'm just patting it and the color is so freaking pigmented, you guys. I'm not even kidding. You guys can see that line. Make sure you blend that so it can look seamless. So now I'm going to take this pixie brush. I don't know the name of it, but it's like a eyeshadow brush. And I'm going to take that purple again and just apply it under my lash line. All right, so now I'm going to take this brown right here. It's a gorgeous brown. And I'm going to apply that on my crease and like a little bit around the outer corner just to intensify it. Now I'm going to be applying my concealer that I showed you guys and cut the crease. I'm taking this Sigma short shader brush to cut it. Now I'm going to take this purple right here and apply it all over my crease. Now I'm going to be applying this purple at the top, which is more of an I can't even talk. It's more of an iridescent. There we go. And it oh my god, I can't talk. It's iridescent color. So I'm gonna apply that with my finger. I feel like it doesn't even come out. I feel like it's dry. Hold on, guys. All right. Do you guys see that? Like it's like dimensional. And there you have that. So I'm applying this frosty shade on my tear ducts just to bring some light onto my eyes. And then my favorite eyeliner, which is by theBalm in Schwing. I think that's how you call it. Swing. But it is so pigmented, girl, and it dries out fast. I don't want to edit this out so you guys can see. Sometimes I'm good, sometimes I struggle. Today was good. Now for this part, I'm applying my foundation, which is the Neutrogena Healthy Skin in color, not warm, fresh beige. And I swear this foundation, you do not feel it. It feels like I'm applying moisturizer on my face. And then I'm applying the Benefit concealer, which is their newest one, is the Boing concealer, just to whiten out, not whiten out, but you know, brighten out the bottom of my eyes just to make me look awake. And then I like to blend everything with a damp beauty blender to make it look seamlessly natural, glowing. You know what I mean. So I do like to set. I feel like my makeup lasts longer and it looks so flawless and airbrush. So I'm using the Airspun powder, as you guys seen, and then the lashes that I'm using are from Tarte Cosmetics. I've been obsessed with these lashes, girls, that I think this is like my 5th time wearing them. And then applying some mascara by Lancome. Girl, I gotta show you the one that vibrates. It's freaking dope. But I've been using this mascara a lot. Then I'm just gonna clean everything out and do my lips. For my lips, I applied the Cocoa Milani lip liner. This is one of my holy girls. And then I'm going to top it off with Fit Glow Beauty in color Bear. This, if you guys have not tried anything from Fit Glow, girl, I don't know what you doing, but this, it's like J-Lo vibes. I freaking love it, you guys. All the lip serums from Fit Glow. Let me show you the other one. I use this on the daily. I think this is like my 3rd one already, or 4th one, I'm not sure, but this is the night one, and it helps to hydrate your lips, plump them, you know, because when you get older you get a lot of fine lines, and it helps to, you know, make them look healthier and younger. So I love all of their stuff because everything's clean and organic and all the good stuff. So I'm going to be using this old Wet n Wild Country palette in color Caramel Toffee, so just a little bit because it's so pigmented. And then I'm also going to be contouring my nose. I love using, let me show you two brushes that I love using. I can't find my other one, but it's by Royal and Helenico. And then I also love to use this Doll 10 brush because it's more of a shader brush and then a blending brush. So the shader one, I use it to contour my nose. Girl, contouring my nose does miracles. And then I use the blending one to blend everything. Now to set everything, this is my holy grail, the all-nighter by Urban Decay, you guys. I really don't know where I'm setting because I'm gonna go to sleep like in an hour or 2 hours.